Hello guys, this is Megatron review. So let's review it now. This is our review. So I'm gonna write this looks. And after that we can put his arms down and we can move his. And the best part of this is it can transform to two modes. No, I mean three modes. No, I mean four modes. Human, spider, spaceship, and then tank. This is the tank mode, this idea. Boom. No, I mean boom, boom, boom. Wait, boom. Then we connect this to here. Then boom. Then we hold this one. So it's boom. Wait, I forgot to close this. This one. Put the head down. I don't know if I can do this. Wait. Hi. This is the tank mode. This is pretty much the tank mode. Then this is the spider mode. Then if I want the extra, I can do it. And after that, this is plane mode. So first, like this, like this. Then you put this feet part up. Spaceship. Then if you click this button, this one, look. Hi. Hi. Oh, I don't know about this. Then if you want to make him transform back, do like this. Ching, 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 ching. Height. So that's for it today. Bye.